today one of our teammates is celebrating her birthday, and she is very down-to-earth person. She is very humble, kind, and sweet, like a candies. Aside from that, she is a degree holder, a hidden treasure that no one can steal it from her. That's why, rain or shine, I make a shout out video for her, none other than Michaela, also known as Mikay. Happy birthday, and more birthdays to come. Thank you.